This is the Oukitel K8000. It's actually a big phone with promising specs such as 64 gig ROM, 4 gig RAM, 16 megapixels camera and 13 megapixels camera. This phone is argued to be the phone with the longest battery life ever built, even though it doesn't have the highest battery capacity. We've seen other phones which comes with 11,000 mAh battery, but when compared to this phone had the longest battery usage time in history. I don't know if any company has broken that record, but as far as I can tell you, this battery is awesome. Now, not just that the battery is awesome, the phone build as well is incredible. So I want to show you how to disassemble the Oukitel K8000. To disassemble the Oukitel K8000, all you need is a screwdriver like this. But remember, before you try open this phone, you must first get rid of this SIM card holder. You have to get rid of this SIM card holder first. If not, you may end up damaging this phone. First thing, get rid of this SIM card holder. So bear that in mind. You're going to unscrew two little screws which are here. When I push this thing inside, the screw is going to end up in these two holes. So when you unscrew it, then you use a plastic object, insert in between the casing and the screen, and you're going to lift it up from the bottom. Don't try to lift this phone from this side. Don't. You're going to lift it from this end. Up like this. And this is the casing. This is some kind of metal here. The SIM card holder enters inside the phone like this, so you must get rid of it before you open this phone to avoid damage. This is the hole. This is where it enters. So bear that in mind. Like I said, this is all kind of aluminium. With some contacts at this place. This foam is built in such a way that these 3 pins here, which is this, and this, comes in direct contact with this cover when you decide to close it. So you have to be careful because it's kind of coming outside, though it has a little spring which you can move inside. Now this is what the battery says. Now there's a big warning here: never use another charger apart from the accepted charger to charge this phone. And here is the board. I don't know why this board is so small. It's so small. Just have this here and the little one here. Beneath this battery there is nothing there. It's just the screen. I was lucky to disassemble some phones before, but I kind of like what I'm seeing in this one because it makes everything in this phone so easy. When I lift this place now, then the battery can now come outside. Then I can you see that? This is actually acting as a middleman between this battery and the screen. So I like the simplicity used here, and to inform you, this battery you're seeing here is just a 2-in-1. You have 2 batteries connected, and I guess it should be in parallel to give us this 8000 milliamp. Now I decided to make this video because I went on YouTube trying to find a video that shows how to disassemble Oukitel K8000, but I couldn't find none. I didn't find any. So I decided to make this one to show you guys how to open this phone. Then if you look here, you see one screw here, one here, and one here. Same when you come to this place, you see one screw here, one beneath this, one here, and one here. And by the time you get rid of those screws, you will have this charging port, the battery, then the board and the screen apart. It's actually a good one because it enables anyone to change any part of this phone without much difficulty. Thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.